The Sheila loom comes with a thick dowel. The loom has notched slats on the top and bottom, which lifts the warp threads off the loom, making it easier to weave over and under the threads. Lift up a few warp ends at a time and slide the dowel inside. You can see how the dowel has lifted the threads up a bit more, and now they're nice and tight. The dowel's purpose is to add tension to the warp threads, making them tighter. The tighter the warp threads, the better. There's a link below to the Sheila loom and lots more weaving stuff in my shop. If you'd like to learn more about weaving, I've got some fun courses. There's a link for that too. Happy weaving!